Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Small Air Fryer is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, offering a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil and faster cooking times. Whether you're a solo cook, a couple, or just looking to save counter space, these compact powerhouses deliver crispy, delicious results without the guilt or the mess of traditional deep frying, making them an essential addition to any modern kitchen for quick meals and snacks. Number 5. Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets Cooking Guide Booklet. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with this comprehensive cookbook guide. It covers over 120 foods in 5 categories, making it easy to find cooking times and temperatures for everything you make. This cooking guide is built to last with waterproof and tear-proof materials. It features a convenient hook and a strong magnet, so you can easily attach it to your fridge for quick access. Designed for both beginners and experienced cooks, it eliminates guesswork with clear, color-coded instructions. It includes both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings for your convenience. This guide goes beyond basic recipes, offering tips on steak doneness, frozen food preparation, and even dessert ideas. It's perfect for experimenting and achieving delicious results quickly. Compatible with most air fryer brands, this accessory is a must-have for healthy cooking. It helps you achieve professional results faster, making it an ideal kitchen gadget. Simplify your meal prep and boost your confidence in the kitchen. This handy tool is perfect for busy individuals and anyone looking to make healthy, flavorful meals with ease. What we like. This is a handy cooking guide that attaches to your fridge. It's waterproof and tear-proof, making it durable for everyday use. If you're new to air frying or just want quick references for cooking times and temperatures, this is a great tool to have. What people say. This air fryer is very easy to use and clean. It cooks food quickly and evenly, and the results are delicious. The compact size is perfect for small kitchens. Number 4. Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT Air Fryer. Experience an air fryer upgrade with innovative TurboBlaze technology. It delivers a powerful fan speed and high temperatures for perfectly crispy and juicy results every time. Our unique 5-fan speed system and precise temperature control ensure your dishes are evenly cooked with perfect texture in every bite. The basket and crisper tray feature a PFAS-free, non-stick ceramic coating. This provides enhanced durability, heat resistance, and a healthier cooking experience. Thanks to its innovative TurboBlaze technology, it speeds up cooking and saves you time. Enjoy perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy days. The 6-quart square basket offers a wide, deep design, perfect for family meals. It's great for cooking large portions while saving space on your counter. Enjoy a quieter kitchen environment. It operates at less than 53 dB, even on the highest fan speed, for a more peaceful cooking experience. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 95% less oil. Get the same crispy fries as traditional deep frying, but without the guilt. What we like. This air fryer boasts innovative TurboBlaze technology for faster, crispier results. It features a PFAS-free ceramic coating for healthier cooking and operates quietly. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful air fryer that delivers excellent texture and is easy to clean, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This air fryer is compact and fits perfectly on my counter. It cooks food quickly and evenly, and the results are consistently crispy. The digital display is easy to read and the presets are very convenient. Number 3. Nuwave Brio Air Fryer Oven. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with a guilt-free twist. This appliance uses superheated air to create crispy, delicious results without the need for added oils, fats, or calories. You can even cook your favorites from frozen, no defrosting required. Need to make a quick adjustment? You can easily change the temperature or cooking time at any point during the process. Its intuitive digital controls make it simple to manage your cooking. Set your desired temperature with precision, from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. Unlike older methods, its heater remains on throughout the cooking cycle for consistent results. Keep an eye on your food without opening the door thanks to the internal light. For your safety, cooking automatically pauses when the door is opened and resumes when it's closed. Experience unrivaled cooking with its powerful, top-mounted convection fan. This promotes exceptional cyclonic air circulation for perfectly cooked meals. Achieve perfectly browned and flavorful results with the self-basting rotisserie feature. You can also tumble fry vegetables and fries to crispy perfection. Set your desired internal temperature, and it will automatically stop cooking once reached. This ensures your food is cooked to the perfect doneness every time. What we like. This air fryer oven offers a rotisserie function for perfectly cooked meats and an integrated smart thermometer for precise doneness. It also features an internal light so you can monitor your food without opening the door. If you love cooking whole chickens or other roasts and want precise temperature control, this appliance is ideal for you. What people say. The air fryer is compact and fits perfectly on my counter. It cooks food quickly and evenly, making crispy fries and chicken. The digital display is easy to read and use, with preset cooking options. Number 2. Nuwave Brio 15.5 QT Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven. Experience ultimate kitchen convenience with 10 versatile cooking functions. From air frying to dehydrating, it handles it all. Plus, access 100 pre-programmed presets and save your own favorites for effortless meal preparation. This extra-large oven boasts a 15.5 quart capacity and 4 rack positions, making it easy to cook delicious meals for the whole family. It comes with 7 essential cooking accessories to enhance your culinary adventures. Enjoy faster, more even cooking with its powerful 5-inch convection fan. This design ensures extra crispy results while remaining smokeless, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Easily adjust cooking temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. You can even make adjustments on the fly during the cooking process for perfect results every time. Achieve perfectly browned and flavorful results with the self-basting rotisserie feature. You can also tumble fry vegetables and fries to crispy perfection. Featuring integrated smart thermometer and linear T technology, it ensures precise temperature control for consistently delicious outcomes. Enjoy a smarter way to cook. What we like. With 10 different cooking functions and 100 pre-programmed presets, this air fryer offers incredible versatility. Its large 15.5 QT capacity is perfect for family meals. If you want an all-in-one appliance that can handle a wide variety of cooking tasks and simplify meal prep for a crowd, this is the one to consider. What people say. The air fryer has a sleek design that looks great on the counter. It cooks food quickly and evenly, producing crispy results. The digital display is easy to read and use, with preset cooking functions for common foods. Number 1. Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. Need to change the temperature or cooking time? You can easily adjust it anytime without restarting. Its intuitive digital controls make operation simple, allowing you to customize heat and fan settings. Customize your cooking by adjusting the top and bottom heater ratios and fan speed. For a perfect pizza, set bottom heaters higher for a crispy crust and top heaters lower for melted cheese. It comes with 10 preset cooking functions for various tasks like air frying, baking, and dehydrating. Just choose the right preset and let it handle the cooking for you. Take full command of your cooking with temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Achieve perfect results by fine-tuning the temperature. Experience a user-friendly, easy-to-read cool white display. It provides all the information you need for a seamless and interactive cooking journey. This smart oven comes complete with essential accessories. You'll find a cooking rack, baking pan, air fry basket, crumb tray, and helpful guides to get you started. What we like. This countertop oven allows you to customize top and bottom heater adjustments for perfect results, even for things like pizza. It has a large 21 quart capacity and multiple cooking functions. If you enjoy experimenting with different cooking methods and want precise control over your heating elements, especially for baking and roasting, this smart oven is a great option. What people say. This air fryer is a great addition to my kitchen. It cooks food quickly and evenly. I love the compact size of this air fryer. It fits perfectly on my countertop. The digital display is easy to read and the presets make cooking a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.